what's on the floor?
Can you see railway tracks?
Train tracks? Ethan, can you see train tracks?
Yeah.
What do you think that means?
Thomas Land.
Thomas Land?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Wow. They're amazing. You got a Thomas.
You've got a Thomas?
That's in our room.
You got a Thomas in your room?
That's Thomas.
Wow. Hello everybody, we're staying in a Thomas theme room at the Drayton Manor Hotel.
And it's so beautiful, that.
Room number 124, and I thought I'd do you a quick tour. As you come into the room, there's train tracks and train carpet.
Wait, it's coming out.
And as we walk into our room and turn to the right, here's the bathroom, which is a really big bathroom, and I think I was quite surprised of how big they were in standard rooms as well. And there's just great family sized bathrooms in this Drayton Manor Hotel. Back in the middle of the room and to your left you've got a desk with all your tea making facilities and a kettle. Oh, and there's a fridge. I thought that was really good last time again. It's nice to have rooms with fridges. Oh, and a hairdryer and some drawers. There is your double bed, and they've asked us what DVDs we want to borrow.
Can you have Tom and some friends on, please?
Yeah, you've got it on. So they've given us some DVDs to borrow for the kids' beds. We've also been invited to the breakfast with Thomas and friends. And then over here is a mirror, and this is where it starts getting more Thomas themed. There's all murals on the wall of Thomas and Percy and Harold the helicopter. And here is Thomas on the bed. And there's our TV, and the kids have got bunk beds, and they're all up the top with the sky. Can you see the sky? Show us the sky, Ellie. Up there, and they're all up the top. Darren's up there, and why are you up there? Because you're sorting out the DVD. Each bunk bed has a DVD. It's pretty good if it's taking your weight. There's a DVD down there, and brick wall detailing. And there's another TV there, which I don't know if that's for a games console.
I want
And a ticket office painting. And then this is a wardrobe, built-in wardrobe, which I don't think you can see in there, but there is, in there is the safe down the bottom. There's an ironing board in there and a safe.
Can I have it, please?
And that is our... Ethan, what do you think of this room?
It's amazing!
It's amazing. You also get given gift bags. What did you get in your gift bag? A hat. Wow.
That's for Ethan.
Oh, and a special toothbrush. On a door tag. And a postcard.
And a booklet. A big booklet.
And a booklet. It looks like it makes a game. Colouring book. Oh, that's good. And a hat. Wow.